You are wasting money every single month on software subscriptions you don't need anymore because in 2026, AI replaced almost all of them for free. In this video, I'll show you the 5 tools that cancel your most expensive subscriptions starting today. I've been in IT and software for over 15 years. I know what these tools cost because I used to pay for all of them. Adobe alone, $600 a year. AutoCAD? Don't even ask. But everything changed fast. AI didn't just improve these tools, it replaced them. And the replacements are free. Here are the 5 best free AI alternatives you need right now. Tool number 1. Canva AI. This replaces Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and it saves you $720 a year. Canva AI generates full brand kits, removes backgrounds in one click, creates print-ready designs, and generates images from just a text description. Everything Photoshop does, Canva does it faster, and the free plan, genuinely powerful. If you're still paying for Adobe just for design work, stop today. That's just Tool 1. Tool 3 will make the 3D artists in this audience very happy. Tool number 2. Cursor AI. If you write code, this is the one that changes your daily workflow the most. Cursor is a code editor powered by AI that literally writes code alongside you. It understands your entire project, not just the file you have open, your whole codebase. It suggests fixes, generates full functions, catches bugs in real time. JetBrains charges $300 a year for similar features. Cursor's free hobby plan gives you 2,000 code completions and 50 premium AI requests every month at zero cost. Tool number 3 is for the 3D people. Tool number 3, Meshy AI version 6. They released version 6 in January 2026, and it is dramatically better than what came before. You type any description, say medieval stone tower with moss, and it generates a fully textured 3D model in under 60 seconds. Textures included, export ready, works directly with Blender and Unreal Engine. The V6 model has significantly improved geometry, sharper edges, cleaner silhouettes, which means far less manual cleanup than older versions. The free tier gives you 100 credits a month. One thing to know, the free tier uses a CC BY 4.0 license, so you need to credit Meshy AI if you use models commercially. If you're selling assets or doing client work, the Pro plan at $20 a month removes that requirement. We're halfway through. The next 2 are ones almost nobody talks about. Tool number 4, Gamma AI. You type your topic, one sentence, and it builds a complete presentation. Design, layout, content, all of it. Clean, professional, and way faster than PowerPoint. For anyone making client decks, pitches, or training materials, this saves hours every single week. The free plan gives you unlimited presentations. Microsoft Office costs $150 a year. Gamma AI, free. Tool number 5, AiMineLab, AI voiceover that sounds completely human. If you create any kind of video content, podcasts, or e-learning, this replaces expensive voiceover artists and audio software. The voice quality in 2026 is genuinely indistinguishable from a real person. The free tier gives you enough minutes every month to get started. Paste your script, pick a voice, hit generate, done in seconds. So there you go, 5 AI tools replacing software that used to cost over $1,500 a year. Canva AI for design, Cursor for coding, Meshy AI V6 for 3D, Gamma for presentations, AiMineLab for audio, all free in 2026. If you found this useful, subscribe. I drop new free tool breakdowns every single week, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.